Hello, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited. I have a surprise Hermes unboxing, and I say surprise because this purchase was also a surprise to me. If you know Hermes, you know like a associate is gonna surprise you some days. So we got a fun surprise. Be sure to watch all the way through to see what I got from Hermes. Spoiler, it is a new bag. But anyways, before I get into the full unboxing, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the not surprise part of this unboxing. And this is what I had originally gone into the store for. So let's get her out. So you can see the cute little packaging, you know, you love to see it. Hermes just does so well when it comes to cute little luxury designer packaging. And this is kind of a basic for your wardrobe. I have been looking at this item specifically for a while and decided to pull the trigger. It's something that I know I'm going to get so much use out of. So in my mind, you know, cost per wear, girl math, it's gonna be basically free by the end of the year. So let me show you guys. Wow. This is a little Hermes t-shirt that has this beautiful embroidered pocket detail on it. So let me give you guys a little close up of the pocket. Can you see it? Really, really pretty. I love in the black that the pocket embellishment is a little more subtle. Like it's not as in your face as in some of the lighter colors. I was between getting a white or black one, but I know myself and I feel like I've already ruined one white t-shirt of mine that I would be so scared to ruin an Hermes t-shirt that's white. I felt like black was the safer color, although I feel like it does come in some other like bold colors like orange or something crazy like that. Speaking of crazy orange colors, yes, those are my little sandals in a crazy orange color, but for sure, I knew I wasn't gonna get as much use out of like a crazy orange shirt. So I went black. Just nice, standard, classic, and the material is super soft, really nice quality. It's very like flowy, but cut. Like the actual t-shirt part of it is not like tight on the bottom. It has a flow to it, but then the top of it is a little bit more fitted, like in the armpit area, like around here. So I'm really glad I went in store. I knew I had to try on sizes because I could not just like order online. Also, you know, build that sales relationship, go in store, don't just do online shopping if you're playing the Hermes game. But no, I definitely wanted to try it on to see my sizing, to see what fit, what works best. And I went with the, I believe a 38. I was between a 38 and a 36, and I hope I worked out with the 38 because that was the fit I liked a little bit better. Yes, okay, so this is the 38 in noir. It's French for black. But yeah, I love the fit. I like my fit on my t-shirts to be a little bit baggier, so that's why I went with the size up on it. But, you know, to each their own. You could definitely get a more fitted look out of this or go up a size and get a baggier look. All right. That was gonna be the unboxing for today. That's where we were gonna stop. Well, I actually went in also to find another Twillie for my little Pikatin. Super cute. I have this Twillie, but I really wanted something like girlier. You know, like a little bit of pink, maybe some florals, like something just a little bit more girly just to switch it up a bit. I also kind of want to throw a Twillie on my new work bag since it has that little ring for it. So I was like, kind of kill two birds with one stone, get a Twillie that matches this bag and my new work bag. But alas, in classic Hermes fashion, they did not have that much in stock. So kind of a strikeout with the Twillie, but you know, we won big in the grand scheme of things. So let me put this little t-shirt away and I'll show you guys my surprise bag that I got. I'm so excited. Okay, so like I said, was not expecting this bag, although it has been on my wish list in my mind. I haven't put in like an official wish list for this bag. I don't even know if you can put in a wish list for non-quota bags. I'll give you guys a little scoop. So the Mini Evelyne, Mini Garden Party are like my two non-quota bags aside from the Picotin that I really think are so cute and so fun and just such a cute little bag. So I did score one of those two. Be sure to leave a comment down below right now to guess which one I got, Mini Evelyne or Mini Garden Party. Place your bets. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so excited. Ah, here she is. And this little guy is mini. And I don't think I had like a good frame of reference when I've seen this online of how mini it is, but oh my gosh, you guys, it is so cute. It is so cute in person. So let's unbox. All right, again, we've got the beautiful packaging, and I don't know if you could tell by the size of this box which one it is, a Garden Party or Mini Evelyne. You Hermes buffs, you probably know. And if not, no worries. We're all learning here. Yeah, I'm so excited. All right, so let's take off the lid. A little tissue paper. I'm so excited about this one, you guys. It is an adorable little bag. Here's the little dust bag. You know me, I love a dust bag. I use a dust bag. She's in here. All right, final guesses. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, here she is. It is a Mini Evelyne in black, noir, matching my t-shirt that I just got. So she is so cute. Like, I love Mini Evelyne. Yeah, super cute. This one does come with a shoulder strap. So let me show you guys the little strap that comes with it. This is in palladium silver hardware and just so cute, so cute. And literally a complete surprise. So like I said, I was coming in, I asked to look at some Twillies. Didn't really have anything I liked. I asked for the t-shirt, we scored, got the t-shirt, and then I also talked about I've been really wanting to get a nice watch. So we kind of looked and just compared sizes. I was like not ready to purchase it right now, but just kind of want to like look and check out the sizings and see if I like the mini size versus a larger size, and I ended up liking the mini size better. But all that, like, did not purchase a watch at all, but just kind of we were looking at them. I really just got the t-shirt, and then my sales associate was like, we have a Mini Evelyne in today in black. Do you want to see it? And I was like, yeah, I would love to see it. So that's kind of the story of how this bag happened, but she's so cute. The inside is pretty open, and then you just have this little buckle that kind of just snaps in the back. So here's a Mini Evelyne. I'll show you guys a comparison from the Picotin, and this is also the smallest Picotin size. So here's the Picotin, here's the Mini Evelyne. You can see definitely different sizes, but obviously serve different purposes. This does though fit like phone, wallet, keys, like all the essentials. And that was definitely the biggest thing for me. So while I was there, I was, okay, let me throw my phone in here, sunglass case, like let's see what we can fit in this bag just to make sure it's not like a nothing bag, because the worst is those bags where like you literally can't even fit your phone and you're like, why do I even own this at this point? But no, she's super cute, super excited, and such a dream. Like, this is definitely something checked off the list. I think this is so cute. I've also seen a lot of cute ways of styling this online, like switching it up with some Twillies or adding like little scarf handles. So I'm excited to experiment and, you know, dress this little guy up. But yeah, so that is my surprise Hermes unboxing. The shirt, the bag, we love a matchy moment. And yeah, now I have another little addition to my Hermes collection. So exciting. Alright, anyways, if you enjoyed this style video, little Hermes unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it to your friends. Also, leave me a comment down below what you guys think of the bag. What do you think? Do you love a Mini Evelyne? Are you more of a Picotin girl? Like, what are we thinking about the little Mini Evelyne bag? I'm obviously super excited about it, but curious to hear what you guys have to say. Also, if you have a Mini Evelyne, let me know. Do you love it? Do you like other ideas you have of styling it? I would love to hear that as well. And also, while you are down there, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.